Svedana Samskara. So Svedana Samskara is steaming the mercury. So here the instrument required for Svedana Samskara is Dola Yantra. So the Nirukti of Svedana Samskara. So if you are interested, you can bahat Nirukti of all the 8 Samskaras. So Nirukti of Svedana Samskara reference is Rasaratna Samuchaya, 8th chapter, 62nd shloka. Ksharamlair औषधैर वापि डोलायंत्रे स्थितस्य हि पचनम स्वेदनाख्यम स्यात् मलशैथिल्य कारकम. So this shloka is from Rasendra Chodamani, 4th chapter, 81st shloka. For the same Nirukti, that is the Svedana Samskara, as quoted in Rasaratna Samuchaya, is Ksharamlair Sardam Sarvamlair Kanchikair Apihi Pachanam Svedanakyam Syat Malashaitilya Karaka. So here meaning is steaming the mercury along with prescribed drugs. So here it may include Kshara and Amla Dravyas. Okay. So the instrument used is Dola Yantra. So the parada along with prescribed herbal drugs are bundled in a white cloth. Then the bunch is suspended in Dola Yantra for Svedana Karma. So the duration of Svedana is 3 days. Okay. So the main benefit of the Svedana Karma is, so it helps to remove the impurities from the parada, or it helps to loosen the impurities of the parada. Clear? So Svedana Karma is steaming the mercury along with prescribed herbal drugs. Okay. In Dola Yantra. So here instrument required is Dola Yantra. Ingredients required are, so here we need Trayushana, Lavana, Asuyehi, Chitrakardraka, Mulakam. Kshipva Suto Muhu Svetyaha Kanchikena Dina Trayam. So here the ingredients required for Svedana Karma are, first one is Trayushana. Trayushana means Trikatu. Lavana is Saindava Lavana. Asuyi is, that is a, it is a, Asuri is, actually it is, I can consider it as Sarshapa, okay, Rai or Sarshapa. Then Chitraka, Ardraka, that is a wet ginger. Mulaka is radish. So here proportion of all these ingredients are 1/16th part to that of mercury. So if we have taken 1 part of mercury for Svedana Samskara, means all these ingredients, that is a Trayushana, Saindava Lavana, Sarshapa, Chitraka, Ardraka and Mulaka are taken 1/16th part of this parada. See, because see wherever the proportion of the drugs are not mentioned, so generally we take equal parts, isn't it? But especially in the processing of mercury, Anuktamana Paribhasha, if the proportion of the ingredients is not mentioned, so there we need to take 1/16th part. Okay, so it is stated in, it is quoted in Ayurveda Prakash, first chapter, 47th shloka. So let me read the shloka. Rasasya shodashamshena dravyam yunja prutak prutak. Dravyeshu anuktamaneshu matam manamidam putaihi. See, remember, especially for Parada Samskara, Parada Karma, if the proportion of the ingredients are not mentioned, there we need to take 1/16th part. That is Rasasya Shodashamshena Dravyam Yunjat. Prutak Prutak. Prutak Prutak means each separately, 1/16th part. That is Trikatu, that is Shunti Maricha Pipali, 1/16th part. Saindava Lavana 1/16th, Sarshapa 1/16th, Chitraka Mula 1/16th, Ardraka 1/16th, then Mulaka 1/16th part. Clear? So here the procedure is, so all the ingredients in 1/16th part are collected in Kalva Yantra and paste is prepared. Okay, so after preparation of the paste, by adding mercury, again it is triturated to prepare the bolus. So once the bolus is prepared, then it is kept tied in a white cloth. So, okay, so here we need to prepare a pottery. So after preparation of the paste, that is after preparation of the kalka with kalka dravya, so we need to mold the paste in the form of a bowl. Okay, so you made to such a consistency that that paste can be easily molded in the shape of a ball. Okay, then in the center you place the mercury. Then with the help of vatapatra and 4 folds of white cloth, potali is prepared. Okay, then the potali is suspended in dola yantra. See, dola yantra means afterwards I will show you the video of dola yantra. See here, the potali is suspended in a mud pot, that is a dola yantra, which containing kanchi. Okay, so here the principle is the potali, the bunch of mercury and kalkadravya, it should not touch the base of the mud pot. Okay, so it should suspend in liquid media, that is kanji, but it should not touch the base of the mud pot. So that is the construction of dola yantra. Then the constructed dola yantra is kept on the gas stove on mrudu agni. Okay, so it is kept on mrudu agni for 3 days. It is Svedana is given for 3 days on mrudu agni. Then after 3 days, the potali or the bunch is removed from dola yantra. Then the mercury is separated from kalkadravya by prakshalana vidhi by using ushnajala or kanji. So the kalka parada is collected in a vessel. Then by adding hot water or ushna kanji, the kalkadravya is washed properly to separate the mercury. So with this Svedana karma, the benefits are, that is the samskara phala is mala shaitilya karakam. It helps to loosen the impurities from the mercury. That is mala shaitilya karakam. Okay. So it's about the parada Svedana samskara.